Junior! Did you just throw that water balloon? Junior! I swear to God, if you throw that stupid water balloon, I'm... Junior, what the... Bowser!
Go in the hole? But Jeffy, you just wasted all the popcorn!
Junior, come here! No!
Screw you, gang! That's it. This is what I think about stupid corn dogs. Basketball. Jeez.
Listen! What? No, 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 Boy. Ah!